In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Google account and why is this necessary. In order to access different free tools that Google is offering, like Google Docs for creating Word documents, Google Sheets for creating Excel documents, Google Slides for creating slides or Google Forms, Google Ads for creating ads on Google and YouTube, Google Analytics, or even if you want to create a YouTube channel, you will need to have a Google account. Now, let's create a new Google account for you in case you don't have one yet. I'm going to create a new one also. Let's say my niche is meditation. Let's select create an account to manage my business. Then write your name and let's try some variations for my username. I'll try meditation, but I'm sure it's already taken. Put your password and remember or save the password somewhere because you will need it. And hit next. And this username isn't allowed. This means that someone has already taken this username. Let's try another one. Meditation and relax. Not good either. Maybe Adrian meditation. I think the underscore symbol creates some problems. Let's put a period instead. Okay, so I got the Adrian.meditation username. Now Google wants to verify my number, my phone number. It already selected the country I'm in, Canada, so I'll put my phone number. Hit next. Now I'm supposed to receive a code. Okay, this is not a good one. Okay, I just got the new code. Here you can put a recovery email in case something goes wrong with your Google account and some personal information. I'm going to skip this. You should read this, then agree. And now I want to check my email of my new Google account. To do this, go to mail.google.com. And I got a welcome message. Here you can choose a view for the inbox. I'm going to choose a compact view, and there you have it. This is your first email in your new Google account. So my new email address is adrian.meditation@gmail.com. I will use this email account for different testing, but in your case, you should have this account for managing your business, at least at the beginning. Now that you created a new Google account, you can use your new Google email address and password to log in into the Google products I mentioned in the beginning of the lesson. So if you created a Google account during this video lesson, congratulations. However, if you don't have a Google account at this point, for your assignment, watch the video again and create your Google account as I showed you. We will need this later. While this is optional, I highly recommend you to do it because a Google account gives you access to lots of great tools that you can use for your online course creation business. After you finish your assignment, I'll see you in the next video.